Hi there guys, unbox this super haul of Mr. Mini's Universal Monsters, including the Walgreens ones. But not the Walgreens now. Oh, the Invisible Man. First, David Moore. This is the Phantom of the Opera. And this is the most rarest one, 172. And this is the Mummy with a scroll. This is the Dracula, and he's rare because he's without the candle. And he is 124. Dracula. Oh. The creature from the Black Lagoon. Oh, this is the Dracula without the candle. No, with the candle, And I got the without candle because he was rare. The Wolf Man. The Bride from the Frankenstein. Last one is the Frankenstein with a flat head. And bye. Other guy, I will unbox this Mr. Mini's Universal Monsters. First, we have the Wolfman, the Wolfman. Oh, it's the Frankenstein. The Frankenstein. Oh, the creature of the Black Lagoon. The creature from the Black Lagoon. Is this? Let me see. Oh, this is a portrait guy. The Invisible Man. So that's okay.